So I say we, the family, are going to be going to Disney soon. Oh yes, Disney World. We're going for Christmas, and that's coming up pretty quick. Yeah, quicker than I thought. So what I wanted was a way to be able to hold like an action camera or something while we went on like roller coasters and rides and stuff like that, because I know Disney they're like, yeah, bring it in. You just can't like have it on a like extended selfie stick or something like that. You can't have anything too crazy, right? So I reached out to Telesin and I was like, hey, we've partnered before on some stuff. Is there anything that I could possibly get that would make this more awesome? And they said, yeah. So they sent us two things, and we're going to show them to you now. And then if you subscribe to the channel, I'm going to, of course, be filming while we go to Disney. And I think I'll try to post them like maybe a day after we do it. So like that night when we get back home or back to our hotel, you'll be able to see how this actually functions. But I think it's going to work perfect. All right, so number one, we've got this magnetic here, magnetic U-shape neck holder mount right there. I didn't even know that this was magnetic, but I'm pretty sure this is it here. The Telesin magnetic neck holder mount for action cameras, right there. That looks like what it is, right? $25 right now. Now I don't know if this is a Black Friday sale. 22 reviews, 5 stars. Basically, it allows you to put kind of whatever that fits with a GoPro style mount on your chest here. Now they do have like harnesses that you can wear, but I don't want that. Now I'm going to be shooting with like an Insta360 style camera, either a full one like this. I may bring something like that, or I may just bring my Insta360 Go 2, and this I think would work really good. Now the Insta360 or the Insta360 Go 2 does have a magnetic mount that you put under your shirt and stuff like that, which works great. But the problem is, I find for me, is that anybody that has like a bigger chest, when the camera sits here, it actually points up a bit more than you kind of want it. You kind of want it to point down. So I think because I can mount this on the GoPro adapter, I can get it down where I want it. So I think that'll be good. Anyways, this is it here, the Telesin U-shape neck holder mount, right? That's it. Okay, I'm down with this. I'm down with this. And it's a good sized box, which is to be expected. It says it's made out of silicone. And I think that's all. Looks like all. You get a little thing here. That goes somehow. User guide. You mount the camera. You insert the magnetic adapter into the hole, and you do it the other way around to when you're done. It seems simple enough. So this is it. See, I had no idea, because you look at here and you're like, I don't quite understand what's going down. So first off, it's kind of cool, because really in general, you could actually sort of just mount this or have it wrapped around something, I would think, possibly to do with it as you need. And then this, my guess is, as you can see here, this little piece goes in here. Would be my guess, right? Locky thing. It's just gotta make sure it goes in straight, I'm guessing. Is what I'm thinking. You would think I'm thinking that right. Maybe I'm not going it. Oh, there it goes. It's just you just have to make sure it goes in straight, and then there's a release button right here to take that off. So we gotta go and release straight, right? You guys see that there, straight, and then snap. There's your button. Click, pull out. So I'm guessing, because like that won't fit, right? So you put it here. Now that's really cool too, because you know it's not going to fall off. So again, you get that where you need it to be. And you can kind of even angle that just like that, right? Just kind of, if you needed to, just kind of get it however you want. You push it up like this so it's a little higher. You can bring it down here so it's a little lower. Whatever. Sweet deal. That's That's okay. And if you're just walking around with this on, because you can take your camera just off, right? It's not going to be that big an issue. So they do have, this is the magnetic piece. They have this as well. So if you want to right angle it, you know, just to make sure you can get it however you want or get it out a little further, et cetera, you have those two pieces, which is good. This is the primary piece. And then you got a really good screw. So let's say, for instance, I'm rocking out this camera and I'm like, okay, now the bonus of a 360 camera, of course, is that you can kind of shoot it however you want. But this will make it a little hard to get it up for a lot of action cams. So I can see possibly where, you know, if you'd need two of these, but this would, the two of them would get the camera out a bit further, which means you could make sure it tips good, but we're just going to use the one right now. So that goes in there. They're well constructed though. Like it's a nice, seems nice. Now, because this is a 360 camera, which is even better, right? It doesn't really matter. Oh, that's good. I'm gonna stick that up like so, right? Because there it is. There's the little piece. Does this come off or anything? My guess would be this has to come off, I would think. Maybe not. Oh, maybe not. Those go in as little latches. So this goes in there. Boom. Right? So that's, then you just, for me again, it's 360, right? So it's not, you can kind of just have it shoot. Now I would make sure that the screen side, I could have it here so I could see it. It's probably best. And then you just click the button and off you go, and then you got a camera right there. Right? And then when you don't want it, you just kind of give it a turn, because you can turn it and then just pop it off. Yes. Okay, that's awesome. And the magnet just kind of gets it in spot, right? Make sure it's in there. You just kind of give it a spin till you feel it go in. Like, okay, it's in. It's good. Right? You're good. You're good to go. Take your lens off, your lens cover. Clickety click. Barber trick. Okay, I'm gonna, this will be, I'll use this without question. That's awesome. Check the videos that are coming out. I'll put links down below once we've gone and actually done it, because right now we haven't done it, so there's no links. Secondly, which is probably something I'll bring, because they do say you can bring like little tripods, just nothing that extends like crazy amount. So they do call this a tripod. So my hope is that I can bring this. Now we are also going on a trip in January for a friend's wedding, and because of that, I think this would be really good for that as well. And this is nice too, because it is a tripod, which, you know what, if you're just out for the day, it's good. It is good weight, right? You guys can see that there. It's good weight, right? This extends. Will they let me bring that? That's got a good, that's way out there. 1.3 meters, I think this one does. That one's long. So I don't know if I have this kind of stuck in the back of my backpack, they may let me bring it in. There's a little push button down here. You can see a little push button, and I think that just releases the legs so that you can, you know, get that stand in there. However, you do have a little charger, and I think the charger, as you can see here, this comes out. So my guess would be this is for charging that. Yeah, it's USB-C, so you can charge that up there, right? That just slides in there, which is nice. And then depending on your camera, if I have a camera that supports a Bluetooth trigger, like your iPhone or some action cams, etc., then you can do that. You could charge that up. I don't think it should take very long to charge. And if you want to be rocking out with your cell phone, it also comes with, oh, see, this comes with the, making that racket. Comes with the little adapter, right? Plus it's got one here already, which is good. I could use that adapter for that actually. And then you get a little phone thing here, right? So you could mount this with your GoPro up here. And then these somehow, does this, maybe it spins? So it spins, and And then do these just, you just pop these, you pop those. Oh yeah, there you go. So it's got a little spring to it, right? So you can put your phone on there and mount that on your selfie stick. Now, just realize this is friction based. This part, it seems to have decent friction to it right now. Will that wear over time? That I don't know. But it seems right now decent. But for traveling, right? If you got just one stop shop and you got maybe a GoPro or some kind of action camera like me, like an Insta360, and this piece, then you can be rocking out for everything. One stop deal. And like I said, even as a tripod, like that goes up. That's 1.3 meters. You can put this on the floor. And when it closes good, because you need that little push there to unlock it, to get it, and then you hear it kind of snap into place. All right, I'm down. This is some of the new Telesin GoPro accessories. We'll be taking these on both of our little trips coming up in the next month and change. We'll be going away this month from December 20th through to the 27th or 8th, I believe. And then in January, we're leaving on the 17th or 18th of January. And we'll be back on the something like that. I can't remember now. We're gone for like 9 days or something like that. So, Costa Rica. Yeah. All right, guys. This is the Telesin upgraded Bluetooth remote control selfie stick. And this, right? This is the Telesin magnetic neck holder mount for action cameras and phones. So my guess is too, if you had the two of them, you could actually use this possibly, right? To actually get your phone in there. So then you have your phone on your chest. Or so order both, I guess. Order both. All right, guys. I'll put links to Telesin's website. And that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and we'll see you guys next video. Later, my friends.